Leverage in crypto trading is one of the most powerful concepts that can multiply your gains, increase your losses, and dramatically change the way you approach the crypto market. Understanding leverage is extremely important because it affects your risk level, trading psychology, margin requirements, liquidation risk, and overall success as a trader. Many beginners see leverage as a shortcut to quick profits, especially when they see terms like 10x leverage, 20x leverage, or even 100x leverage on crypto exchanges, but the truth is that leverage is a double-edged sword that requires deep understanding before using it. At its simplest level, leverage allows you to control a larger position size with a smaller amount of capital. Instead of trading only with the money you deposit, the exchange loans you additional funds to amplify your position. For example, if you have $100 and you use 10x leverage, you're controlling a $1,000 position. This sounds exciting, but the risk of crypto liquidation becomes much higher because the market only needs to move slightly against you for your entire position to be wiped out. In leveraged crypto trading, the idea of margin plays a crucial role. Margin refers to the amount of money you put down as collateral to open and maintain a leveraged trade. If the value of your position drops too much, your margin becomes insufficient and the exchange automatically closes your trade to prevent further loss. This is known as liquidation, and it is one of the biggest dangers in crypto leverage trading. Liquidation happens quickly, especially in the crypto market where volatility is extremely high. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins like Solana or XRP can move 5% to 10% in minutes, which means high leverage positions can be wiped out instantly. This is why risk management is one of the most important parts of using leverage successfully. Crypto derivatives platforms like Binance Futures, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin Futures, and BitGet make leverage trading accessible to everyone. Traders can choose between isolated margin and cross-margin to systems that determine how your collateral is used. In isolated margin mode, only the specific amount of margin you commit to a trade is at risk. If the position goes wrong, the losses do not affect the rest of your account balance. In cross-margin, however, your entire available balance can be used to support losing positions. While cross-margin reduces the chance of liquidation, it also exposes your entire account to risk. Many beginners unknowingly use cross-margin and lose more than they intended simply because they didn't understand how the system works. Another major concept in leverage trading is the difference between long positions and short positions. A long position is used when you believe the price of a cryptocurrency will rise, while a short position is used when you expect the price to fall. Leverage amplifies both directions. For example, if you open a 10x leveraged long position on Bitcoin and the price increases by 5%, you gain 50%. But if the price falls by 5%, you lose 50% of your capital instantly. Similarly, with a 10x leveraged short position, a 5% drop in price could give you a 50% profit, but a 5% increase would completely wipe out your margin. This asymmetric nature of leverage means traders must have strong discipline, emotional control, and effective strategies to avoid unnecessary losses. Market volatility is another reason why leverage trading in crypto is extremely risky. Unlike Forex or stock markets, crypto trades 24/7 with no breaks, no closing time, and no circuit breakers. Liquidity varies based on time zones, global events, exchange manipulation, and whale activity. Crypto price prediction becomes even more difficult when using leverage because small price fluctuations can make big changes in your profit or loss. Even when your analysis is correct, the market can briefly move against your position before moving in your favor, which can still liquidate a high leverage trade. This phenomenon is known as stop-loss hunting or liquidation hunting, where large players intentionally push price into liquidity zones to liquidate leverage traders and collect profits. One of the most important parts of leverage trading is understanding funding rates. On perpetual futures contracts, funding rates determine whether long traders or short traders pay a small fee to each other based on market conditions. When the funding rate is positive, traders who are long pay fees to those who are short. When the funding rate is negative, short traders pay the longs. Funding rates influence market behavior because they reveal which side of the market is overcrowded. Beginners often ignore funding rates, but experienced traders use them to avoid costly losses and to time market entries more effectively. When funding rates become extremely high, It often signals an over-leveraged and overheated market that may soon reverse. Another essential concept is the liquidation price. This is the exact price where your trade will be automatically closed if the market moves against you. The higher your leverage, the closer your liquidation price gets to your entry. For example, using 100x leverage might put your liquidation price just 0.5% away from your entry price, meaning even the smallest candle can destroy your trade. Using lower leverage gives your trade more breathing room and reduces the chances of liquidation. Many professional traders use low leverage, such as 2x or 3x, because they prefer long-term sustainability over short-term gambling. Understanding the role of stop-loss and take-profit orders is necessary for anyone using leverage. A stop-loss automatically closes your trade when price moves beyond a certain point, helping you limit losses. A take-profit order locks in gains when the price reaches a target level. Leverage makes these tools even more important because the speed of movement increases dramatically. Without proper stop-loss placement, a single sudden market spike can liquidate a leveraged position instantly. Smart traders often combine stop-loss orders with technical indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages, and support and resistance levels to create more accurate trading decisions. Many traders who lose money with leverage do so because they don't plan their trades, don't use stop-loss protection, and let emotions control their decisions. Psychology plays an enormous role in leveraged crypto trading. When traders see fast profits from leveraged gains, they often get overconfident and increase their risk exposure. This leads to emotional decisions, revenge trading, overtrading, and ultimately massive losses. Leverage creates an illusion of easy money, but in reality, it requires patience, discipline, and experience. Many traders who use leverage without understanding its risks eventually realize that they were gambling, not trading. Successful traders approach leverage with caution, respect, and a clear strategy based on technical analysis, market structure, volatility patterns, and risk management. Crypto exchanges also use liquidation engines to manage leveraged positions. When volatile movements happen, mass liquidations can create cascading effects that push the market even lower or higher. These liquidation cascades are common during big Bitcoin dumps or altcoin breakouts. Understanding this helps traders realize that using high leverage during periods of extreme volatility is dangerous because liquidation chains can wipe out thousands of accounts in seconds. This is why understanding crypto market structure, order books, open interest, and liquidity pools gives traders a major advantage. Another area beginners underestimate is slippage. Slippage happens when the price at which your order executes is different from the price you expected due to fast market movement or low liquidity. With leverage, slippage becomes even more dangerous because a small difference in execution can push your position closer to liquidation. Using limit orders instead of market orders helps reduce slippage and gives you more control over your entries and exits. Market makers and professional traders always account for slippage, especially on altcoins with lower liquidity. Risk-to-reward ratio is another important topic in leverage trading. Traders should always aim for setups where the potential gain is larger than the potential loss. Without leverage, a bad trade simply loses money. But with leverage, a bad trade can destroy your entire account. This is why traders need to evaluate every possible outcome before entering a leveraged position. Successful traders avoid unnecessary risks and stick to strategies that have been tested through backtesting and live trading experience. Position sizing is another critical factor. Many beginners put too much of their account into one high leverage trade, hoping for a big win. Professional traders never do this. They divide their capital, scale into positions gradually, and manage risk properly. Position sizing helps prevent emotional trading and protects you from massive losses that wipe out months of progress in minutes. Over time, traders learn that leverage is not the enemy, lack of knowledge is. When you understand how margin works, how liquidation happens, how funding rates influence the market, how volatility affects leverage trades, and how risk management protects your capital, leverage becomes a tool, not a trap. It becomes a way to increase your trading efficiency without increasing your emotional stress. But when traders ignore these principles, leverage becomes a path to quick losses, emotional burnout, and financial regret. As you explore leverage trading in crypto, remember that it is not meant for beginners without guidance. The crypto market is already risky, unpredictable, and highly influenced by global news, whale activity, liquidity shifts, and retail emotions. Adding leverage increases every risk factor. Knowledge, discipline, technical analysis, and a strategic approach are the only things that make leverage effective instead of destructive. Once you understand leverage deeply, you can use it responsibly, protect your capital, and take advantage of market opportunities without falling into common traps that destroy unprepared traders. If you want more powerful and beginner-friendly crypto breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe, share this video, and comment the next topic you want me to explain in depth for you.